In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams no sound during video call. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and locating the three dots icon next to your profile picture in the top right corner of the app window. That menu gives you quick access to your personal settings. Click those three dots and, from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the central place where Teams controls your audio and video behavior. Once the settings pane is open, click on Devices in the left side panel. The Devices section is where Teams lists the audio input and output devices it can use during a call. Look for the speaker section inside Devices and use the drop-down menu to make sure the correct audio output device is selected. The correct device might be your laptop speakers, a pair of USB headphones, or a Bluetooth headset. Select whichever matches what you actually want to hear sound from. Selecting the proper device here ensures Teams is sending audio to the right place. If you still experience no sound after confirming the selection in Teams, it's a good idea to check your Windows system settings as a follow-up. Open your computer settings via the Start menu. In Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Audio, then choose Sound Settings from the results. This brings you to Windows' built-in sound controls and shows all recognized playback devices. Within Sound Settings, click on Manage Sound Devices. This screen lists both active and disabled input and output devices. Find your primary speaker in the list, the one you expect to hear audio from, and select it. There is a test button available here. Click Test to verify the device is producing sound. Listening for that test tone confirms whether Windows is delivering audio to the hardware properly. Throughout this process, pay attention to device labels and connections so you don't accidentally pick the wrong output. If the test button plays sound but Teams still does not, recheck the selected device inside Teams and make sure no other application is taking exclusive control of the audio. If the test button does not play sound, reconnection or driver updates at the system level may be necessary, but the steps covered here will help you identify where the issue is coming from and get your audio